Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar, Benson Boone with Be Someone. He's been here before a couple times and he's back now. This is a newer song, so let's take a look at Be Someone. No need for any capo here. Let's take a look at the 6 chords we need, starting with E. So that is open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. That's the E. Now we're gonna go to the E7. So what you do here is to release the 2nd fret D string and put a finger down on the 3rd fret B instead. Everything else you keep there. And sounds like that. It gives you open E, 2nd A, open D, 1st G, 3rd B, and open E. That's the E7. Over to A. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. We have D as well. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. So 2 more chords left, and that's bar chords. We're gonna start with F sharp minor. So you play a bar there on the 2nd fret over all strings, and then you need to add 4th on A and 4th on D. And the final chord is the B sus. We're gonna go with the same grip there. You can actually keep the bar if you wish. The real B bar chord, you don't have to bar the last E string, but you can do that still there. And just go down with your 2 fingers on the 4th fret D string and 4th G string instead. So from F sharp like that, you just do this and you stay away from the E string. If you keep that bar there, so you can stay away from it and just play the 5 strings below. All right, so there you have the B sus. Now let's take a look at the strumming. So this is very heavy on the bass there when it comes to, on the rhythm. So really have this clap built in the strumming here. So we're gonna go with down, up, clap, up. Okay. So if you go to E and grab that one string around goes like that. Okay. So down, up, clap, up. And it goes pretty fast, and a couple of rounds goes. Okay, so that's the rhythm. Now let's take a look at the different parts here. We have verse play. You're gonna play E 4 string rounds, then E7 4, and A8. That is both the verse and chorus. To a next round. So that is both verse and chorus. In between there we have a pre-chorus. You just play 1 down on the following chords: E, then D, then A, and then A again. All right, so E, D, A times 2. So that's the different parts you have, but at 2 minutes and 37 seconds into the song, we have a bridge part. You're gonna play downs there as well, straight downs, and the chords will be E for 8 downs, A 4 downs, now comes the F sharp 2 downs, and B sus 2 downs. And that's it. So you have all the parts. Good luck with Benson Boone's Be Someone. And play tuned.